Hello, it's Justine. Here I am, day 5. Now, looking at the shape of this, I would just like to go out on a limb and say it's an embossing folder, and that is strictly based on this little sneak peek image that we have on the back here. It looks like a long, skinny embossing folder. So let's just open it and find out. Yes, it is. That is so satisfying to open. I know I've said that before, but like, it really is. Okay, I might need to pull out a paper clip or something because I don't want to break a nail. I know. There are some serious glue dots in this thing, you guys. Anyway, I think that's just so they don't slide around because it looks like there's some plastic behind here and that's kind of what's separating all the days. So just so you're aware. Anyway, day 5 we have an embossing folder. This is so adorable. I do not have any small embossing folders from Spellbinders yet, so this will be a nice one to have in my collection. And it looks like there's some stripes on there. So the stripes could be used for like a little sentiment strip. You could die cut out a sentiment and then glue it on here. Even from day 4, if you remember, it was happy birthday. You could put happy and birthday on here and make like a birthday card. You could even pull in the stamps from day 2, the little flowers, and put something here. I think some ideas are starting to come to me, so I might have to make a card or 2 here with my goodies here from this advent calendar soon. So I'm already on day 5 and I already have ideas coming, so that's fun. This embossing folder is the SES-044. So there's that if you're looking up the number or anything. Thank you for watching day 5 here, and come on back tomorrow for day number 6.